Now we are at IHOP here in Dubai and we're gonna see what we can order to eat. Let's take a look at the menu. Pancakes. Many different kinds of pancakes. Breakfasts, made to order omelets, griddle, faves. I have no idea what that is. I'm not gonna film the entire menu, I just want to give you a heads up on the prices and the selections.
Nej, så var det på varför här för mig. Dominik. Jag kan inte ha varför till efterrätt med serien på.
Here we have salt and here we have pepper. Here's an appetizer. It's a Caesar salad. Refills are free for drinks, such as soda, and that's typical America, but not typical anywhere else.